In this next example, we're going to divide and simplify 55 over 22 divided by 35 over 6. So, first things first, let's identify what each item represents. So this is 55 over 22. And then we're dividing it by 35 over 6. Okay, now keep in mind that this represents the dividend or the numerator fraction. And this represents the divisor or denominator fraction. So whenever we want dividing fractions, we need to take the reciprocal of the divisor. So the next step would be 55 divided by 22, and the reciprocal of 35 over 6 is 6 over 35. And then when you do that, now this division turns into multiplication. Now when we multiply, what we want to do is break everything down into its prime factorization form. Well, 55 is the same thing as 5 times 11 in prime form. 6 in prime factorization form is the same thing as 2 times 3. The prime factorization of 22 is 2 times 11, and the prime factorization of 35 is 5 times 7. And now we're going to simplify everything that we can simplify to 1. We know that that 5 divided by that 5 is 1. We know that that 11 divided by that 11 is 1. And that 2 divided by that 2 is 1. So now let's go ahead and then multiply across. We get 1 times 1 times 1 times 3, so we have 3. 1 times 1 times 1 times 7, which gives us 3/7. And so therefore, our answer is 3/7.